Students, how are you? I hope you all are well and safe. This is Amar Ghare Amar School online program. I am Ratnarani Moitro, Assistant Teacher, Government Model Secondary School, Khulna. I am inviting you in this program. Students, this is class 9. Today I am here for discussing about your English first paper, Unit 7, Lesson 6. So, you have to get ready with your English for today book. Students, can you remember what did you learn in your previous class? Yes, in your previous class, you learned about Mother Teresa. You learned she was born in a rich Catholic merchant's family in Macedonia and she was a nun. Okay. Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Can you guess? Yes. The woman in the picture is none but Mother Teresa and she is holding a child in her arms. We can also see there are some other children around her. Students, can you guess what's our today's topic? I know you are not sure. Okay. Now I am going to write our today's topic. Our today's topic is love for humanity. Love for humanity. Students, of course, there are some difficult words in this lesson. Let's learn the meaning of these difficult words from this lesson. Students, look at the board. There are some words meaning. Destitute. Our first word is destitute. In Bengali, it means dustho. Our second word is divine. In Bengali, it means povitro. Third word is willing. In Bengali, it means ichchuk. Next word, irrespective. It means niropekho bhabe. Next word, creed. It means dharmiyo matobad. Next, dab. It means porda. Last word is wrinkled. It means ভাঁজ পড়া অথবা বলে চিহ্ন. Students, now open your book at page 105. 105 and go for step B. I will read the text and you will also read with me. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. She founded a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. She and her fellow nuns brought the dying people of the streets of Kolkata to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, many men, women, and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families? Or do we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world and she received a number of awards. These include the Pope John 23rd Peace Prize 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding 1972, the Belgian Prize 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize 1979 and the Bharat Ratna 1980. Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on September 1997. The world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support irrespective of creed, caste and religion. The picture of Mother Teresa draped in a white and blue bordered sari with a wrinkled face, ever soft eyes and a saintly smile lives on in our mind. Have you finished? Okay, students. Now go for step C, page 106. Now say whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct information. First statement is Mother Teresa was moved to see the diseases that spread in the streets of Kolkata. Is it true? Is it false? It is true. Okay. Our second statement is she opened a home for the orphans. She opened a home for the orphans. It is false. Actually, she opened a home for the dying people. Our third statement is she and her group brought in the dying people from the streets of Kolkata. She and her group brought in the dying people from the streets of Kolkata. It is true. Okay. Our fourth statement is Nirmal Hriday was founded so that the poor people who are dying can get love and care before death. Nirmal Hriday was founded so that the poor people who are dying can get love and care before death. It is also true. Okay. Our fifth statement is Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organizations. Is it true or false? No. It is false. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through the family. It will be the correct answer. Okay, our sixth statement is we have learned from Mother Teresa how to come forward to help only those who belong to a special caste. No, it is false. So the correct answer will be, we have learned from Mother Teresa how to come forward to help people irrespective of creed, caste and religion. Okay, have you finished? Students, now go for step D. There are some questions here. You will read text B again and write the answers of the following questions in your exercise book, and it will be your homework. Students, you have learned the lesson very attentively. I think you have learned the lesson, finished the lesson very attentively. So, thank you, and that's the end of the class today. Thank you so much.